Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the latest addition to my workspace. Is a keyboard from AliExpress that I got via the AliExpress app. It was on sale, so and it was delivered to my doorstep like about 2 weeks after I placed the order. And I think booking on AliExpress is kind of very straightforward. The process was straightforward. This is not my first time booking anyways, and the items were well packed. And with AliExpress, you can see the movement of your package from the seller to your doorstep. On the app, you will mostly have different stores selling the product. For me, I look for any store that is on sales, that has the item on sales and has very well excellent reviews. And yes, it came in a very sturdy box. The box was well protected and it has 87 keys. Honestly, I don't even care. But it came with 87 keys here, and it was really well packaged. It came in the color I wanted it to come in. My previous keyboard was also gotten from AliExpress, and that's why I got the new one from AliExpress as well, because that one was very durable and it didn't even spoil. Actually, I just got tired of it. And I had seen this particular keyboard in about 2 videos now, and I just thought, oh my god, I'm going to get it. I can be very greedy like that. So yes, I got it. And yes, it came with a manual, a user guide for installation or connection or whatever. And this is my old keyboard. Bye bye. It was nice, I'm not gonna lie. It looked nice, and using it took me a while getting used to it because it's kind of chunky, it's big. I didn't know it was that big. And then I love the RGB lights, the backlights. That was also very nice. The keys are also well spaced, and it's kind of like your fingers flows through, if that makes sense. But I think I started to enjoy using it after like about a week of using it. But the first, second, third day of me getting it, I didn't really enjoy using it because it felt too big for my fingers. But now I've gotten so used to it, and now I love it. I love the backlight especially because it helps me to keep working even in the dark. I don't have to turn on a light. That light suffices. And yeah, that's about that. I also got some other stuff from AliExpress. I got a mouse. I got this light, this very cute light. This light is so cute, guys. This is it on my workspace. It's very cute. I also got a mouse, a very simple mouse for the keyboard. So, and I got a sleeping mask. The keyboard connection was very straightforward. You just have to identify it, and connect it via Bluetooth. And the same thing goes for the mouse as well. You just have to connect it via Bluetooth, and once you connect it once, you don't have to keep connecting every now and then. This voiceover is a mess, but I mean, it is what it is. Bye guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always posting coding tutorial videos and just tech videos. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you.